Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Valorant not opening easy and quick. First, click here and then go for Windows updates, and as always you have to make sure that your Windows is updated. So just click here and as you see, just wait, and then as you see I have to update my Windows. So just if it asks you to restart your computer, just click this one, update and restart, and after that just try again, and if that doesn't fix your problem, click here. Now go for VGC, I mean services, and here you have to look for VGC. Just keep scrolling down until you find services that starts with V, and here you will find VGC. Now click on it, and as you see, click stop and then wait for it. After that just start it again, and now just go back. Now try again and your problem must be fixed. And if that also doesn't fix your problem, then your last option is to go for apps and features, and of course you have to go to Vanguard, uninstall it, and then just open Riot Games client and try to launch Valorant, and it will install it again. And if your problem still not fixed, then you have to uninstall Valorant. So just click uninstall here and install it again. And that's it for this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.